Ayy, I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch you make this hit.
Hey guys, I'm back. Go follow my business page, okay? I'm an artist at Novale Media. That is my Instagram. Go check it out. Let's get into the video.
Even at a young age, to delay gratification. Did they come up more successful?
So, hey my nana ladies and gents, what's up? I have a video today. Yeah. I'm going to be trying to French braid. Something I don't do because I don't have the patience for it on my hair. So I'm going to do it on his hair. He's a test dummy here. Okay. So, yeah, let's get into it. So I'm going to use a pick. And, oh dang it, you can't see it. And Shea Moisture Enhancing Smoothie. Okay? Enhancing. Ooh, just change the setting. Technical difficulty. And then black. Trying to do the YouTube hand.
So this is me
Black
before I
stone.
edit. I didn't even use this
All
because
right.
his hair was soft enough to braid. I even
Now, I don't
know.
know what I'm doing, but I'm going to do it. So let's get started. This smells so good. I want to eat it. We're going to take a dime size amount.
Why hang up? And here, I'm just about to start it with the kit. Yeah. First use it right to a comb, but it's whatever. But yeah, I ain't never. I mean, I have, but they didn't come out, cute. It take practice or whatever. French braiding is, it's an art. It's a science. It's complicated. Okay. Also, while you're watching this video, go follow my business page. I'm an artist. Yeah, Novale Media. Beep. We answer a few services to give you Novale Media. Go follow. Get you some art. Yeah. Prints, flyers, logos, posters, illustrations. I got you, boo boo. Get you some art good. See you later. Also, I'm only probably gonna do like 2 braids. I know you don't want to sit here and see me do this, so don't see me do all of it because it's just repeated over and over again. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all a picture when I'm doing. Keep on watching the video. Click that like button. Subscribe. Give me a subscribe. short hair, you gotta really get a good grip on the hair. A good grip. Cause yeah, it kept sliding out my fingers.
I mean, yeah, my parts aren't as clean, but alright, guys. So as you can see in the mirror, so you saw what I can do. I didn't even know I could do that because I ain't never braided this short. But it ain't perfect, but you saw me do it. So what? I'll have a picture of the results, possibly. Not making no promises, but come back for the picture. I'll see you later.